What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SRT Kobe, and I'm back with another video, man. As y'all can see by the thumbnail and the title, we got an early POV. If y'all niggas still sleep, wake up, go get some money on. Y'all niggas laying in the bed, sleeping. Hey, we ain't got time to sleep. We got to get this money on. But I ain't gonna lie, I don't know if I want this to be an early POV drive or us learning how to do the paddle shifters. Because if y'all watched the first video on my channel, I told y'all I don't know how to do the paddle shifters. I don't know what I'm doing with the paddle shifters. And I said in one of my next videos, we was going to learn how to do the paddle shifters. So I think that's what we're going to be doing today. Look at this trailer, bro. It's a green light. It's a green light, sir. All right, let's see. All right. How was that, y'all? Let me know. Rate that 1 through 10 with the paddle shifters. Let me know. Ooh, y'all hear that downshift? Ooh. I think that was a little too early. I think I upshifted too early. Y'all let me know. I think I upshifted too early, bruh. I'm gonna get these paddle shifters down packed, bruh. SRT Kobe will have these paddle shifters, bruh. Hey, baby sound good, man. If y'all ain't know, we is in Mexico with it. We is in Mexico with it. Oh, man. We in them boy drifting, man. Stop playing. Y'all know the Scat Pack got great handling. Don't play with me like that. Hey, but nah, yeah. We gonna keep practicing on these paddle shifters, bro. I think I'm upshifting it a little too early. But it's all good, bro. I'ma get it. Just wait. I'ma get it, bro. I'ma get it, bro. I told y'all I'm new to this. Just give me some time. Just give me some time, bro. See, that sound like an early upshift, bro. I gotta ride it a little bit. We sliding though. We in traffic. We cutting up for sure. I think it's a cut up and it's a early morning POV. I mean, and paddle shifters. You feel me? We cutting up for sure. My arm hurting. Tell you that much. Come on, man. Look at Grandpa in the old ass car, bruh. Get out the way, fool. He got his Google Maps in trying to find the nearest Dunkin' Donut shop. Old ass car. Bro trying to go get his morning breakfast. Get out the way, bruh. But nah, bro. Y'all let me know what I gotta do with these paddle shifters, bro. I'm really trying to learn, bro. I'm really trying to learn. I think I'm close. I just gotta start riding it a little longer before I hit the upshift. Sound like I'm hitting the upshift a little too early. But it's all good. We're gonna get it, though. Promise we're gonna get it. But how y'all day going, bro? I gotta ask y'all how y'all day going. How y'all day going? I know a lot of y'all still asleep right now. Not making no money, drooling all on your pillow. Laying in your mama crib. Some of y'all probably at school, though. So let me chill out going hard on y'all. But y'all, bro, y'all gotta let me know what y'all want to see on this channel too, though. Cause we can cut up. That ain't nothing. We can cut up for sure. That ain't nothing. We can for sure cut up. That ain't no problem. Crazy part is about this video, bruh. Y'all know I be recording on my phone. I ain't got a camera yet. And nigga, I don't know where the hell I'm at. So we just riding. But at least I got my family with me. At least I got y'all with me, bro. The SRT family, I got y'all boys with me. So if we get lost, y'all lost with me. Cause I don't know where the hell I'm at. I can't use my maps. Just because I'm recording, getting this great quality content for y'all boys. Cutting up in traffic early morning. I'm my sleep. Nigga, didn't even brush my teeth yet. Breath still stinking. Hey, don't clip this and put that on TikTok. Please don't do me like that. Breath still stinking. Didn't wash my face. But it's cool though. As long as we getting the content right. Y'all ain't trying to see me yap and just sit here. Y'all want to see me cut up. And I don't blame y'all. And I don't blame y'all. And I don't blame y'all, so that's what we gonna do. I don't blame y'all. I ain't gonna lie, my arm's starting to hurt, bruh. I don't see how y'all boys be doing it for real. Y'all going these 30-minute POV drives like I did in my first video. But that was really just me to get warmed up, get to know y'all a little bit. You feel me? I ain't really finna be doing no 30-minute POVs like that. Especially if not cutting up. Look at my gas tank eating. Gas tank is eating, bruh. Like I told y'all in my last video, if y'all want a Mopar, y'all know y'all finna live at that gas station, right? So I need y'all to smash that like, hit that subscribe button if y'all new to the channel. I need all of y'all to send the video to one of y'all friends, mamas, brothers, daddies, cousins, to your people. Just send the video, share the video. Cause bruh, we gotta pay for this gas we wasting, bruh. We gotta pay for this gas we are wasting, no cap. Y'all eating my gas tank up with these videos, bruh. But it's all good. I love y'all, bruh. I'm gonna keep doing it for y'all. Cause I know it's a lot of people out here who want a Scat Pack, Hellcat, RT, who really can't have it. You feel me? It's a lot of people out here who want it. I was in that position. Man, I want a Scat Pack. Man, I want a Hellcat. Man, I want an RT. And God put me in the predicament to get it. So it's just like, I'm gonna keep working, bro. I'm gonna just keep working. Y'all hear them burbles back there? I ain't even downshift or none of that. Just cause ain't no room for me to cut up for real no more. We in traffic. I probably get back up with y'all whenever we get out of traffic, cause it look like we finna be in some traffic. Mexico, y'all gotta do better, Mexico. I ain't gonna lie, bruh. My battery light just came on. I've been cutting up too much. Hey, let me get back with y'all, bruh. All right, y'all. So like I said before I ended the first clip, the battery light did just come on, as you can see it right there. I really don't know what's going on. It looked like my car overheating. That's probably what it is. Just because, look, y'all see that little smoke? My car probably overheating a little bit, so I'm gonna calm it down. I ain't gonna be cutting up for too much longer. I'll probably give y'all a little pull or something, but I'm probably just trying to get back home, get the car back home, and see what the problem is. Just because I really don't know where I'm at. I'm not using no GPS. I'm far from home, probably like 30 minutes. And yeah, the car looked like he wanted to cut off on me. You feel me? So we gonna play it safe. Just go ahead and head back home. This is gonna be a short video. I apologize for the inconvenience. But hey, y'all know what y'all dealing with when y'all got these Mopars, bruh. Cutting up, they wanna overheat. They be having all these problems, bruh. They be having all these problems. But it's all good, I still love my baby. I'm gonna just get it home and go see what the problem is. Probably just overheating or something. Who knows? Probably put some bad gas. Not sure what it could be. But it's all good. I ain't finna keep yapping about it. But I just came to let y'all know if the video be shorter than what y'all wanted it to be. God damn, that big ass pothole. But nah, like I was saying, I was just coming to let y'all know if the video was shorter than what y'all wanted it to be, that's why. Battery light came on, car starting to smoke a little bit. So, ooh, that sounds good. But yeah, we're probably gonna wrap the video up right here, y'all. I love y'all boys. Make sure y'all smash that like, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on post notice, bruh. I'm dropping straight bangers, bro. I'm trying to get out 2-3 videos a week. Just because I am a busy man, bro. I'm a busy man. I got another channel. If y'all want to come see me do reacts, pull up to the reaction channel, bro. Like I said in the first video, pull up to the reaction channel. I do got a reaction channel. Look in my description, link in bio. Link in description. It will be there. I'm there daily. Pull up to the reacts channel, bro. But make sure y'all hit that like, hit that subscribe. I love y'all boys. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Peace.